Yeah, it's, high impact, exactly. That's what I do, my feet kind of going on the gym, but
You gotta keep,
gotta move to feel better, but
it might hurt to move, but
yeah.
it'll help take.
Yeah. So when we get here, we'll ask him to stop.
Ooh.
Good job.
Yeah, baby.
What's going on, bud? What are we doing with you? Hmm? What? Hi. Hello. Oh, you burped in my face.
Thank you.
You've been around quite a few times.
Yeah, we did 5 each direction.
Oh.
You ready to walk a little faster? I don't know if it's gonna. I don't really want him to walk faster because I think
You might be.
he's a little sore, like he's trippy and
Yeah.
kind of. But I do want to see if I can get him to trot. So to get him to trot, I'm gonna walk a little faster,
Okay.
make a lot of clucking noises, and I'm gonna actually take him in the other direction because I think that he's more sore in this direction.
Cool.
Isn't it?
Filming him. Filming him.
You can feel he's sore.
You can kind of tell by how he was walking. He was like,
Huh?
he was walking really like heavy, like. Yeah, look at his tail. He's got the little show horse tail going on.
I know. I got some pictures of you walking them. You're so beautiful.
I know. Where'd it go? We're getting the lead out, huh?
What's going on?
True.
Getting a laugh.
Yeah,
Hi, Ari.
Good job.
So you got some more carrots for me?
See, I just
Huh?
talked to him.
We can give you a carrot.
But yeah, he's still definitely.
So you took pictures.
He actually seemed more sore the first direction. The first direction, he nipped at me, which was
Yeah.
his way of saying, I'm uncomfortable.